Product introduction. Rosen series dosing equipment is researched and designed by Rosen Company. Disinfectants normally have strong oxidizing properties, so the main parts of Rosen dosing equipment are made of antioxidant PVC. Stirring system use circulation pump, so it has less noise. There are two dosing methods, dosing pump and water ejector. Positive pressure dosing by dosing pump, negative pressure dosing by water ejector. Structure of equipment. The equipment contains flow system, stirring system, dosing system, sewerage system, and electronic control system. Inflow system includes water inlet, electric valve, inlet valve. Stirring system includes circulation pump. Dosing system includes dosing pump, water ejector, Y-type filter, and tiration valve. Sewerage system includes discharge valve and discharge pipe. Electronic control system includes electric cabinet and control panel. Failed installation conditions: 380 valve or 220 valve alternating current power supply in the dosing room. Good ventilation and drainage facility in the dosing room. Heat preservation conditions in the dosing room for cold areas. Provide water inlet pipe. 2 taps in the dosing room. Design a sewerage outfall in the dosing room to connect the municipal water network. Design lighting device including 2 sets of lights, 40 watts per set. Failed condition for Rosen dosing equipment is as follows. Rosen dosing equipment is an integrated equipment. It has already been installed and debugged before delivery. Only the inlet and outlet pipe and power line need to be connected while installation. Materials need to prepare before installation. Equipment installation. 1. Place the equipment to the right place. 2. Install water inlet pipe, dosing pipe, overflow vent pipe, discharge pipe. 3. Connect the power line. 4. After the pipe glue is solidified, open the water inlet, intake water to equipment box. 5. Observe the electronic control to see if it is okay. 6. After the equipment box is full of water, check whether the operating direction of the stirring pump and dosing pump is right. If the direction is opposite, adjust it. 7. Check all the pipelines to see whether there is water leakage. After the equipment box is full of water, add disinfectant powder and stir to dissolve. Start the dosing pump. An hour later, test the active oxygen content in running water. Adjust the dosing pump to reach the standard. Debug for equipment. After complete install equipment, calculate the powder consumption based on the daily water capacity. Adjust the dosing pump for dosing 1% to 2% solution. Adjust method. Observe 1 hour flow and then adjust the dosing pump to get the right flow rate. Debugging of the solution concentration. After the debugging of the dosing pump, debug the solution concentration. The solution concentration should be controlled between 1% and 2% through increasing or decreasing the disinfectant dosage. Equipment application. Check before operation. Check the pump whether it is deviated after long time use. Check whether the dosing pump is in good condition. Preparations. Make sure water supply is ready. Make sure power supply is ready. Choosing the dosing method. Positive pressure dosing. Dosing pump plus water ejectors dosing. Water ejector dosing. Positive pressure dosing. Turn off the water ejector and the first second control valve. Switch on the third control valve. Dosing pump plus water ejector dosing. Switch on the water ejector and the second and the third control valve and turn off the first control valve. Water ejector dosing for power shortage only. Switch on the water ejector and the first control valve. Turn off the second and the third control valve. Use titration valve to adjust the flow. Startup. Take appropriate amount of disinfectant powder. Press power button to connect power. Press operate button to choose dosing procedure. Choose 1% density or 2% density to set the operation time of mixing pump. When water temperature is too high or too low, use reduce or increase button to adjust the mixing time. When water reaches the high level, the equipment will start alarm to remind. Then add disinfectant powder and press stir button. After the powder is mixed up completely, the dosing button slide will blow. Then that means the dosing pump automatically starts. Use disinfectant residue detector to detect disinfectant residue. Adjust the dosing pump according to the dosing requirements. When the level of dissolving tank is low, the equipment will automatically intake water and rotate the above procedures. If dosing by ejector, adjust the dosage with titration valve. Shut down the equipment when the operation finishes. First, turn off the dosing pump. 5 minutes later, turn off the valve. At last, turn off the power of the equipment.